Just when we thought things couldn't get more nasty or complicated, they do. After posing multiple insults and accusations every day via her social media page, Kangana and her team were perhaps surprised to find themselves at the receiving end of a hashtag trend, #ArrestKanganaRanaut. Kangana, who has now quarrelled with and accused Karan Johar, Mahesh Bhatt, Anurag Kashyap, Aditya Chopra, Alia and Pooja Bhatt, and more recently has made indirect attacks on Kareena Kapoor Khan and Deepika Padukone, found herself at the receiving end of an arrest demand. A hashtag #ArrestKanganaRanaut started trending suddenly on social media, with many netizens calling out the actor for her incessant vitriolic against an industry she is a part of and demanding her arrest for a variety of reasons. However, Kangana's team, which also explained their attack on Deepika Padukone in the course of the day, were quick to respond with a flurry of posts complete with memes and graphics to say that they would be happy if Kangana was arrested so she could then prove all her accusations against those she believes have wronged her and Sushant. Finally, movie mafia PR has got some budget-paid trend. Hashtag #ArrestKanganaRanaut is being carried out. Come arrest her. It will be easier for her to expose and fix movie mafia and their wrong practices. So please arrest Kangana Ranaut, said Kangana's team, who have gone on the defensive after being possibly surprised by an anti-Kangana trend. Continuing to portray Kangana as a victim and survivor all rolled into one, her team added, when criminal cases, death threats, character assassination didn't stop her, #ArrestKanganaRanaut will only make her more determined. Even if you get her killed, like Sushant, her being will live to destroy mafia and every wrong that they have done to her. Please arrest Kangana Ranaut. The team also shared pictures of star kids like Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt and filmmakers like Karan Johar in a graphic that clubbed them under the category of virus while places Kangana under the title sanitizer. While this is disturbing by itself, the caption only proves that the level of debate and discourse in Bollywood is increasingly beyond redemption. Rather than attacking Kangana from behind and conspiring against her, all Changumangu milk bottle gang must gather courage to arrest Kangana Ranaut. At least we will know a valid reason for outsider harassment. Please arrest Kangana Ranaut, said one post, while another read, all milk bottle Nepo gang hoping Kangana gets arrested for calling them out. She has sworn to destroy gang Changumangu and she will do it no matter what. Please arrest Kangana Ranaut.
कितने अच्छे से पीछे से जाके वार करते हैं, सामने तो कुछ नहीं कहते, सामने गले लगाते हैं, आपको किस करते हैं और पीछे से जाके आपके लिए प्लॉटिंग प्लानिंग करते हैं.
It is shocking and disturbing that instead of engaging in a meaningful debate and understanding how things can be improved within the industry, talented artists have lost an opportunity to create change thanks to a petty battle of egos and one-upmanship.